What's yours?
It's my dad's is passed away. 52 Studebaker. And my mom just passed away.
What year is this?
52.
1952. Wow.
It's all there. See, the only thing I could find is missing. There's holes here.
So it must be
I'm thinking it's probably some Studebaker and
Studebaker.
something else there, eh?
Yeah.
So what's the plan?
Get her on the road.
Oh, like restore it? Wow.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
It's all there. It's too good to do anything else with.
Are you do it yourself?
My son-in-law. He does this for, he does cars.
Okay.
So
Wow.
what can I do to help you there, bro?
Nothing. We got our case. We got keys. Put it in neutral.
No, we got no keys for this thing at all.
What's the name of this vehicle? 19
Studebaker. A Studebaker.
A Studebaker.
It's in neutral now though. It's a 3 on the tree.
Okay.
And it's in neutral. Like it was all the way back by
That's-
that garage.
Well, you pulled it out with your truck.
Hey, hang on. How much is this going to cost?
Oh, restoration flatbed is 75 plus that. His son lives down in California.
Oh, wow.
He's quite wealthy. And has decided he wants nothing to do with it. Dad, I'm not coming back to get it. I don't want it till it's done.
Wow.
It's like this. The only thing, the front quarter panel coming right has got a big hole. Like it's been fixed. He gave it to this little guy. He gave it to the little guy. It must be 90 years old. I think he's on his last leg. He says, you know what? As long as you swear you're going to fix this, you take it. So from there, the guy had me take it out to Pilot Butte, where he's going to have it in his buddies, and his buddy's going to put it online down in the States and sell it.
It'll sell like a hotcake.
Yeah, but I mean, the old guy said you can have it as long as you keep it fixed. And as soon as
That's not like
the hook up on the drive out, he's telling me, oh yeah, that's not right. I was like, I can't say anything because it's my customer, but I just thought it was wrong.
That's low life.
Yeah,
Sorry, buddy, but that's a low life.
yeah. And then the 66 Cuda, my buddy lucked out, bought it for $1,000.
Oh, come on.
The lady, I don't think she was aware of what she had.
No, definitely not.
It was her husband's car. He's passed away a few years ago. And she, wow. She recruited some people to clean out her garage. The guy goes in the garage and sees that. And he comes out and says, man, Will, you got a car in there. And she's like, yeah, I know, I don't know what it is. She's like, if you want it, you can have it.
Oh.
And then she talked to her son, and he says, Mom, you should at least get some money for that car. Implying that it's worth much more, Mom, don't give it away. So she said, give me $1,000. My buddy Chuck bought it. I don't agree with that either, but
There's people that like that though. They really are, but you never get people. I hate it, but it is people. My dad seen out his garage. He was a welder, so he couldn't see nothing. He had a 67 Pontiac Provincial. He drove it out of the garage.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just like it came out of the factory. There wasn't a bit of rust. Had been in the garage for who knows how long.
Yeah. I'm glad to hear you.
Provincial Club Towing, 1971, Regina, Saskatchewan. Wow.
But it's all original. All it was bought by a very wealthy individual. He drove 6 miles, parked in Wisconsin, and left. Then he passed away. You'd be surprised how many kids there are in some of these farmyards. Oh, hell yeah. Some of these Wisconsin, there's a guy southeast sitting there. Private farmer, he's got 2 great big porches.
My hands are freezing now.
Except for the 100 and some old cars anywhere from 1947. Nothing
Pretty
older
cold.
than 69.
I think it's negative 15 degree. Negative 15 degree here in Regina, Saskatchewan. November 20, 2020. It's pretty awesome to witness this old school car got towed from my neighbors. Just passed away last month. And I think they are thinking to restore this. Because one of his grandson is that's what he do for a living, right? Restoring cars.